Welcome to Dialogue Dreams. I really don't like my job here.
Oh no, that's not good. What's bothering you?
Well, it's just that I find my work boring and not exciting at all.
I see. Have you talked to boss about it, or tried to change your tasks?
Not yet. I'm kind of nervous to do that.
Don't be scared. You should talk to our boss and see if there is anything you can do to make your job better.
Yeah, maybe you are right. I should at least try.
Absolutely. And keep in mind, everyone has tough days at work. It might improve in the future.
Thanks, Sarah. Hi, ma'am. I wanted to talk to you about my job.
Sure, what's on your mind?
Well, I have been thinking that maybe I could try a different job position here. I'm not really happy with my current one.
What? You want to change your job? You were hired for this position. And that's what you should do.
I know. But I thought, maybe I could be happier doing something else here.
This is not how things work. You were hired for a reason. And you need to do your job. If you can't do that, you can resign.
I didn't mean to upset you, madam. I just wanted to talk about it. And see if there were any other options.
Well, there are not any other options. You either do your current job or leave. It's that simple.
Okay, I understand. I will think about it some more.
You do that. But remember, this is your job. And you need to do it.
Hey, what happened, my love? You seem a bit sad today.
Yeah, work was tough today. My boss got really angry when I mentioned wanting a different job.
I'm sorry to hear that. But look, we are at the park now, and I'm here to make you smile. What can I do to cheer you up?
Just being with you helps a lot. Let's stay here for a while. And talk about happy things.
That's the spirit. So, did you see those cute puppies earlier? They were adorable, weren't they?
Yes, they were. And you know what else? I saw a funny squirrel trying to steal someone's sandwich. It was so silly.
See, there are always little moments of happiness around us. We just need to notice them.
Thanks for being here, making me smile. And reminding me of the good things in life.
Anytime, my love. I will do everything for you. Because I love you so much.
I love you too, John. Mom, Dad, I need to talk to you about something.
Of course, dear. What's on your mind?
Well, it's about my future. I want to choose who I marry. And I don't want you to arrange it for me.
But we have found a nice boy for you. And he is coming to meet you tomorrow.
Dad, I don't want you to decide who I marry. I want to marry someone I love. And choose for myself.
Sweetheart. We just thought we were helping you find a good match. We didn't mean to upset you.
I know, but this is my life. I will marry the one I love. And I need some time alone right now. I'm going to bed. Good night. Hi, can we talk? I have something important to say.
Sure, what's up?
My parents want me to meet someone they chose for me to marry. But I want to marry someone I love, like you.
I get it. What should we do?
I thought, maybe you could meet my parents.
That sounds like a plan. I will meet them.
Thank you. It means a lot. Just talk to your parents too, okay?
I will. I love you and want to be with you. We will find a way, I promise.
I love you too. Thanks for being so great and understanding.
Mom, Dad, something great happened.
What's making you so happy today?
Mom, I want you to meet someone.
Really? Is it a girl?
Yes, exactly. I'm in love with a girl, and I want you to meet her and her parents.
That sounds lovely. When can we meet them?
How about we go meet them this evening?
Sure, this evening works for me.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. You will really like her and her family.
We can't wait to meet them, dear. It's wonderful to see you so happy.
Hey, I have good news.
What is it?
My parents agreed to meet you and your parents this evening.
Really? That's amazing. I'm so happy.
I knew you would be thrilled. They can't wait to meet you too.
Thank you for making this happen. I'm really looking forward to it.
You're welcome, love. It's going to be a great evening.